Part 3. So, avoiding plagiarism. So, to continue that discussion, when in doubt, go ahead and use quotation marks or paraphrase it or summarize it. So, include signal phrases to integrate ideas and give credit. Enclose word for word borrowings and quote marks. Whether quoting a source, paraphrasing it, or summarizing it, include an in text citation right after the information. In addition to your in-text citation, cite the source on your works cited or reference page. Every single thought or idea that you get that helps you write your paper, if you include it in that paper, you need to have it on your works cited page. Okay? Don't reuse work you've turned in for other classes. That is a form of plagiarism without the express permission of your instructor. Sometimes instructors say that it is okay to do that. Common knowledge. So you don't have to cite common knowledge. So look at the examples here on the slide. The dates of the Civil War. Well, it's common in the sense that this knowledge is shared everywhere. Okay? George Washington was the first president of the United States. Again, that's common knowledge. So you don't need to cite it. How do you know it's common knowledge? It appears repeatedly in sources without attribution. You may know the fact off the top of your head. So if you know something off the top of your head, you are more than welcome to include that in your argument. But again, if you use something to reinforce that and it came from one of your sources, you need to cite it. When in doubt, cite. You won't lose credit for extra citations, okay? You will lose credit for missing citations. So I want you to think about that. I want you to, when you're writing your paper, make sure you're using a nice balance of paraphrasing, quoting, and summarizing. Sprinkle it throughout your paper. You should have a few for each one of your each one of your grounds and your warrants. Remember, the whole point of citing your sources is to prove your argument even more. So that's the PowerPoint on integrating sources. Please use it to take your quiz this week. And also make sure that you review it or look at the little Seagull worksheet or resource so you can see examples of summarizing and paraphrasing. I am also going to provide a resource on signal phrases, different ones that you can use so you don't fall victim to using the same one over and over. Remember, repetition is bad. You don't want to overuse something to the point that it bores your reader.